In this video, we will review how to attach a baccalaureate degree plan or BDP to an appointment summary in Navigate. To ensure the best user experience, use the latest version of the Google Chrome browser. Once you are logged into Navigate, type in the quick search bar the student's name or ID number that you would like to work with and then select the student. This will take you to the student's profile. From the Staff Alerts menu, located on the right-hand side of the screen, select Report on Appointment. A dialog box will appear. Select the care unit, the location, and then select Baccalaureate Degree Plan as the service. In the Appointment Summary text box, you can copy and paste the hyperlink of the BDP used during your session with the student, or you can attach it as a file. Finally, select Save this report.